there is always a struggle between the atheist and the theist. If a person becomes God conscious, so he will find many enemies, because the world is full of demons. What to speak of the devotee of Krishna? Even Krishna, when he personally came, he had to kill so many demons. There was his maternal uncle, his mother's brother, very keenly related. Still, he wanted to kill Krishna. As soon as any son was born to Devaki, immediately he killed, because he did not know who will be Krishna. The prediction was that the 8th child of his sister will kill Kamsa. So he began to kill all the children. At last Krishna came, but he could not kill Krishna. He was killed by Krishna. So nobody can kill God. The demons, godless society, they simply want to kill God. But actually God is never killed, but the demon is killed by God. That is the law of nature. This is the instruction from Prahlad Maharaj's life. We can understand that, as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Mrityu sarva harascha aham. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said that I am also death, in the shape of taking away everything, whatever you possess. We are very much proud of possessing material things, material acquisitions. But when Krishna comes, Prahlad Maharaj saw, Hirayakaśipu, his father also saw, Nishingadev. This Hirayakaśipu was very clever, as the materialist scientists are very clever. They are inventing so many things. What is the idea? The idea is we shall live forever and enjoy a sense gratification more and more. This is called atheistic advancement of civilization. The Hirayakaśipu was typical materialist. Hiranya means gold and Kasipu means soft bed, cushion. The materialist person, they are very much fond of gold and enjoying sex. That is their business. Hirayakaśipu is the typical example of this materialistic person, and Prahlad Maharaj, Prakrishtirupena Allhada. Allhada means transcendental bliss. Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavitavi. Living entities, real identification is Prahlada, blissfulness. But on account of material situation, we are in miserable condition of life.